place to enjoy as well.
Even though South Florida is it's also the cultural capital of the state. Sure to find or head over to Miami, experience the ultra-trendy Art Deco South Beach area.
All of the exciting things we've been talking about are just minutes away from your centrally located hotel with your Alamo or budget rent-a-car. Now, typically, most of our travel packages come with an economy vehicle to save you money and make parking easier. But if you're interested in a larger vehicle, like a minivan or be sure to ask your reservation agent how you can upgrade.
Ooh, a convertible sure sounds like fun. But let's talk about your accommodations for a moment.
Hello.
Your hotel special a refreshing swimming pool and area, along with a friendly bar and restaurant for your drinking and dining pleasure. And trust me, how comfortable those rooms are.
Hello. Once again, I would like to remind you that you'll be speaking with one of our friendly vacation coordinators in just a few minutes. Appreciated. In the meantime, let me tell you about our beautiful Bahamas Celebration cruise ship. It was selected as
Okay, James, do me a favor. What is your postal code, zip code?
Went, please.
What is it?
Four, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Sir, that's not a postal code.
Oh, sorry, man. It's 4, 5, 6.
Sir, that's not a postal code. I need the postal codes. Toronto, Canada, and then what's the postal code?
When I ask my wife.
Okay, is she there?
Is here. Wait a minute.
Okay.
Yes.
You still with me, James?
Yes. Wait a minute. Yes.
Is your wife there?
I asking her. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Maybe Adam can know. I've written, honestly, the guy is retarded or something. He is, he said that. He said it. He said it to me.
Okay. Oh yeah.
All right, what is it?
M4B1B3.
All right, hold on, okay?
May be monitored for tape for quality assurance and training purposes. Our usual on-hold time is 2 to 4 minutes, with waits during the peak holidays taking a little longer. So please hold on, and one of our friendly agents will be with you shortly. In the meantime, let us tell you a little bit about our fabulous port of call.
Hi, James. Hold on. We're going to run your card, okay? See if it's good.
Yes.
Okay? How's the weather over there?
It's snowing.
You snowing? No way.
Yes, it's snowing.
Wow. You're far away from Florida. It's hot in Florida.
Ha ha ha. I know. Ha ha ha.
Florida's very hot.
I
We don't like to wear too much clothes. Little clothes. Yeah.
It can rain in Florida.
Okay, hold on hold on a second.
Where'd the pen go?
Okay. Okay. All right, do me a favor, sir. You have to repeat the visa number again, starting with the 4. I've got a number wrong.
You got wrong?
Read the card number again.
Yes. Wait a minute. Okay.
Go ahead.
1, 1, 2, 3, 4.
No, sir. The card number on the credit card, starting Starting with the 4.
Sorry. 4, 3, 6, 6.
Okay. Go ahead.
5, 4, 3, 4.
Sir, listen to me. Okay, the last time you gave me the numbers, it was nothing like this, okay? I need you to read the card number from left to right. 4 numbers at a time.
Oh, sorry. It's 3, 4, 3, 2.
Hold on.
Hi, Mr. James.
Yes.
We need your credit card, or else you're not gonna get this free vacation. Okay?
You don't say. Oh my God. My wife is going to kill me.
Okay. What's your credit card number? One more time, please.
I want
The number is 4.
4, 6, 6, 5.
Mhm.
Are you listening?
Okay. Hello?
Yes.
Go ahead.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Go ahead.
8, 7, 6, 9.
Okay, can you repeat the numbers again?
Oh. This was 4, 6, 6, 5.
Mhm.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Go ahead.
8, 7, 6, 9.
Expiration date, please.
9 months, 11 days, 2018.
Okay, you know you're giving me a fake number, right?
No, it's my real
What kind of card is that?
Euro card.
It's a U-Haul card.
Euro card.
Okay, this sounds like a phony number because there's no way that you only have that many numbers on the card, sir.
Sir, do me a favor. Put your wife on the phone for me.
Okay, wait a minute. Yes.
Hello,
Hi, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good.
Okay, good. Listen, I need you to do me a favor. I'm trying to get information from him, and I can't understand him.
Yeah,
Okay?
he's
Okay, do me a
retard.
favor.
You know,
Excuse me?
he's retard.
Okay, well, what I need you to do is the credit card he's trying to give me, I need the number, the correct number.
Oh, he's reading us Legoland card.
It's a what?
You know, Legoland.
Legoland. Is it a credit card or not?
It's not. It's a fun park.
Okay, do you have a credit card?
Yes. Just
Okay,
wait
I
a
need,
minute.
is it
I'm
a
gonna get
Visa or
it.
Master? Okay. Is it a Visa or MasterCard?
What do you say?
What kind of credit card is it, a Visa or MasterCard?
Mastercard.
All right, what is the expiration date?
Just when I got it to get it.
Okay, I'll hold on. Go ahead.
Hello.
Yeah, I'm here.
Yes.
What's the expiration date first?
Yeah. It's 8 months and
Okay.
4 days.
What? 808 what?
8 months and 4 days.
4 days. Okay, I need the year. What's the year?
Oh, it's oh, sorry. It's oh my god.
It should say 8 of
2016.
16. Okay, and
Yes.
it's a MasterCard. It should start with a 5. Read it left to right.
Okay. 5849
Okay.
2457
Okay.
2478
Okay.
5348.
5348.
Yes.
Okay, and the 3 numbers on the back of the card in the white box.
Yes. 785.
Keep that card in your hand. We're not done yet, okay?
Okay.
All right?
Yes.
Hold on. I'm going to be back in a second. Hold on.
Hey, this fantasy island was chosen in the Traveler's Choice Destination Awards as one of the best destinations to visit.
Very cute.
And it's called the Jewel of the Caribbean. And you know how I like jewels.
I sure do. Now, Grand Bahama Island earns this because of its impressive combination of attractions and natural wonders, including an incredible 52-mile stretch of unspoiled white sand beaches.
And no place better embodies all that Grand Bahama has to offer than our resort partner, the 4-star Grand Lucayan Beach and Golf Resort, especially when you consider just how much there is to do in Grand Bahama, like snorkeling, jet skiing, parasailing, horseback riding, glass-bottom boat tours, and my favorite, swimming with the dolphins.
But for our guests, the most popular excursion by far is just spending the day at the Grand Lucayan. It's incredible, with over 7 acres of the most pristine white sand beaches and crystal clear water.
Okay, ma'am. I'm not coming up with a good card number. Read the card number again from left to right. It is a credit card, a MasterCard, right? Hello?
But